So here I am going to explain some basic electrical concepts which are basically useful for the competitive exams and for VTU theory exams also. So here I begin with nature of electricity. So when it comes to the electrical and electronics engineering, we have to know the concept clearly, that is of the electricity concept. So we first start with the matter. What is matter here? Matter is nothing but it is also an electrical in nature. So it contains particles of electricity. So what does it contains? Matter is full of particles of electricity. So electricity in this word, it is nothing but what it contains two components. One is proton and one is electron. When we say it is proton, if proton it have all positive charges, then it is called as proton, and electron is represented as E small e, and it have all negative charges on this, so it is called as electron. So positive charge on the proton is equal to the negative charge on the electron. So whether a given body, if I consider one body, if it exhibits an electricity or not, whether it is charged or not. So how to find out this one? Based on the protons number and electron numbers which it exhibits. Okay, and we have some three important points to be remember here. One is that when proton number is exactly equal to the number of electrons in the body, the resultant charge will be equal to 0. So when it is the charge on this body is 0, the electricity will be neutral. So for example, if I consider the paper, it is not electrically charged, so it is called as a neutral in nature. If suppose if any of the body, or if any of the neutral body, if I consider some electrons are removed from this body, there is deficit of electron will be taken place, deficit of electrons. When deficit of electron taken place, automatically the proton number will be going to increase here, when electrons number are decreased, because we extract the electron from the body. So that this body is called as positively charged body. Okay, next I will consider another neutral body, and when I remove the electrons from the body, there is deficit of electrons. If I again supplied with some excess electrons to this body, so here we get excess of electrons, so that the body will attain the negative charge. So negative charge more, so that here number of proton number is less than the number of electrons will be more. So this body is called as negatively charged body. Okay, next. So again, what is the unit of charge? So unit of charge is will be measured in that the charge on an electron is so small that it is not convenient to select it as the unit of charge. In practice, we use the coulomb as the unit of charge. The SI unit of charge is nothing but it is coulomb. It is abbreviated as capital C. 1 coulomb of charge is equal to the charge on 625 into 1 coulomb of charge is equal to 625 into 10 to the power 16 electrons. Thus, we can say the body has a positive charge of 1 coulomb, that is 1C. It means the body has deficit of 625 into 10 to the power 16 electrons from the normative share. Therefore, the charge on 1 electron is 1 divided by minus 1 divided by, so minus 1 divided by 625 into 10 to the power 16, that is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So in the next class we will see what is the electron, okay, and what is the energy of the electron, and valence electrons and free electrons. Thank you.